Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create number card in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of the Power BI and we will activate the number card. So we will have to specify the fields. We are having two types of variables. One is a categorical data and another is a continuous data. So the sales is a continuous data denoted by the sigma sign. Let's include sales in the fields. So this will give me the total sales. Now I'll go and format your visual. Call out value. So this is 2.30 millions. I can change its color. The font size can be changed. The type of the font can be changed. We can make it bold also. The display unit is in million. It can be changed into thousands. So depending upon your requirement, you should choose your display units. Value decimals, how many decimal places you want to display. Category labels. This is related to the thing which is displayed, that is sum of sales. So we can change its color also. Font size can be increased. Now let's go into the general settings. Properties. By increasing this number, the height of the number card will increase. By increasing this number, the width of the number card will increase. Position. This will shift the number card horizontally towards the right hand side. This will shift towards the bottom. Padding. By increasing this number, the white portion from left hand side will increase. By increasing this number, the white portion on right hand side will increase. This on the top and this on the bottom. Title. If you want to give any title to this number card, you can just write on this text and it will be displayed on this number card. Subtitles, if necessary, you can activate it and you can write down the subtitles. Divider on. So if you are specifying the title, let's say total sales. We increase the font size. Taken into the center. So this is your divider. So we can increase the width of this line or decrease it. Moreover, the style of the line can also be changed from here. Spacing. By increasing this number, the white portion between the title and between this number will increase. Effects. Let's see if I increase it, what happens. Effects. So let's take a light background, visual border, activate it, and we want the round corners. So just increase this number and you will get the round corners. Just see. Shadow, is it to be included or not? If you activate it, then you will get the black color shadow outside on bottom right. You can change it to inside. Moreover, the positions which can be taken are top left, bottom right, header icons. So this is related to the filters on visuals. So if I change the background of this, the border and the icon, so at any moment of time, if you feel that you want to reset to the default settings, just press reset to default and it is done. Again, activate this and go in uh, add data to your visual. So at present, it displays the total sales. Now, if you want to change it and you want to make it average, then just click here on this arrow, average. So it will display the average sales. minimum sales, maximum sales. So this is for the continuous data. Let's pick up the categorical data. So it will display the first category. Other categories can be also be selected. Let's say the last category. So now the last category is technology. The distinct count. If I activate a distinct count, three categories are there. So let us make this count distinct. Three. So it's displaying 0.00 millions. No need to worry. You will go in format your visuals, call out value. So instead of millions, make it auto. So three count of categories are there. Again, go in format your visuals, count. So 999 is displayed. So this was all about how to create the number card in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.